It's a great day for a drive, especially a 2022 Ram Laramie 3500, and this has a nice silver exterior, black interior, seating for 4 doors, and about a 6-foot box. This has a spray-in liner in the box. You've got a power sliding rear window with rear defrost, navigation, reverse camera, running boards, and there's also a winch on the front, as well as upfitter switches if you want to wire in other items. And you've got a trailer tow hitch and many more features. It has a 6.7 liter diesel engine, and it is a V6 with an automatic transmission. It's 4x4. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.7 liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. This vehicle is a diesel. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors, and power folding mirrors, as well as memory for 2 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you've got this nice all-weather mat on the floor. And then you have your parking brake. The hood release is over here. Your 115, lighting controls, power pedals, and there's a running board and grab handle, just making it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, you have your hands-free dialing, as well as your menu. On the right is your cruise control, and this is a push start. So my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. On the dash, any important messages, your odometer reading, and you're seeing the Laramie badging. And then in the menu, you can toggle through to different options there. In the center, we have a 12 volt and a little cubby, and then we've got our hazard lights and traction control. We're seeing our map there for navigation, so we can search different locations and go in there and put in your address that you want to find. You also have heated steering wheel and heated seats for driver and passenger, and you've got the ability to go into the whole map. And I'm going to go back into the main menu here, and I just have to find that. Give me a second. I'm just going to show you. You've got fan on either side, as well you've got front and rear defrost, as well as AC and dual climate control. And then we're just going to get out of here. There we go. We can touch on the screen for that. So down below we can touch on home for our different options. It's just going to take me a second. There we go. We can get in and we can see different options that we have available. So you can go into your media, so we can touch on that and choose AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. And then you also have your comfort, and this just is the adjustments for your seats and the heated and vented seats, the heated steering wheel, the AC, max AC, and your rear defrost. Navigation, we've already seen the map on there. And then you have apps in there as well that you can choose from. And there's different options available to you. There's your Bluetooth device manager and so forth. And then you have vehicle, where you can go in and there's different, whoops, and it went to navigation. I didn't press hard enough on that one. You can do bed lowering mode, and this is when you're towing. It gives you a lower center of gravity, more control, your rear view camera and mirror dimmer. And as well, you've got settings in there, as well as your off-road. So your display, you can change the look of that, your profile, brightness of the screen, things like that. So you have lots of options in there. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So it's telling you the rear cam is on. There's your center line, green, yellow, red, just telling you how close other objects or vehicles are to you. And there's your back bumper. I'm going to put us back into park for safety's sake. And then down below, we have our integrated trailer brake controller. We have the volume and tuner on the sides here. We have the auxiliary switches, exhaust brake, your front sensors, back sensors, tow haul, and your alternate trailer height that you can play around with. Little cubby, you also have USB-C, USB for 2 locations and auxiliary line in. There's a little cubby here as well. And then off to the side is 4x4 that you can go into, and you've got a couple of cup holders as well. Get this stuff out of the way. You've got a place to put items. Armrest that opens up, is quite generous. Lots of room in there, and shows you the height to fill it up too, so you don't overfill it. You've got your glove compartments and grab handle in the body. You also have auto dimming, rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls. You also have the tailgate release there, so you can take that down if you want from inside. And you also have the button that opens and closes and slides that rear window, as you can see, that's powered for you, which is kind of handy, and you're all set to go. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running boards, body color door handle with easy entry. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can unlock the vehicle. Driver's side fuel cap, you've got the sport badging. In the back, body colored handle for the tailgate, and your backup camera's located right there. As well, 4 and 7 pin connector, backup sensors, and a trailer tow hitch. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob. It'll bring it down nicely for you, and this is tailgate assist. Just nice and easy, spray in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready and you want to close it up, you just close it with your hands, push up on the tailgate, lock it, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. And I'll just show you on the floor, I've just put down a cover for the front grille. And that's a nice thing about buying used vehicles, is sometimes you get benefits and accessories from what the other vehicle or the other owner has put into the vehicle. There's a nice all-weather mat on the floor, and in the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders. I'm just going to flip it up, and this has a 60-40 split, so we're just going to lift it with one hand, and then you've got this nice little platform that comes down. It's got feet, and you just bring those down so you can see the feet underneath, and it just gives you a level area. And the other one on the other side under that other seat comes out as well, so nice big area to put items. And you've got the cutout for the cup holders if you need it. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a couple of cup holders in the console, as well as air vents, USB-C and USB, heated seats. You've also got a 115 volt and dome lighting up top. In the back there's hooks, access to a window that slides, and as well rear defrost. When you want to bring down the seat, we're going to fold this back up, put the feet down, and then just give the seat a push, and it's back in its regular seating position. Body colored bumper, about a 6-foot box. It's got a spray-in liner, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors, and this does have a turbo diesel engine. It also has the hood deflector, and you also have a grille cover. There's a winch on the front and many more features. If you'd like to take this beauty out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. And if you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.